Imagine the thrill of crafting NFTs, establishing NFT marketplaces, and designing smart contracts with absolute ease. Even if coding isn't your forte, TheX Protocol empowers you to bring your vision to life effortlessly. Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting and revolutionary project that's set to transform the way we interact with the blockchain. Get ready to unlock the power of Web3 with TheX Protocol. In this video, we'll walk you through the incredible features of their MVP, their partnership collaborations, the upcoming presale, and much more. So, let's jump right in. TheX Protocol MVP and code-free solutions. TheX Protocol is making waves in the blockchain world with its MVP that empowers users to create NFTs, build NFT marketplaces, and even design smart contracts, all without the need for coding skills. Imagine the possibilities. Take a look at this intuitive dashboard. From NFT creation to managing smart contracts, TheX Protocol's drag-and-drop interface simplifies complex tasks, saving you time, cutting costs, and optimizing efficiency. It's a game-changer for businesses and individuals transitioning to Web3. How it works. Create your profile. Begin your Web3 journey by effortlessly creating your profile. Create smart contract. Utilize the code-free Smart Contract Wizard to generate smart contracts with ease and efficiency. Create NFTs and tokens. Bring your vision to life by crafting impactful NFTs and tokens tailored to your business model using our AI-powered recommendations. Start distribution. Take your creations to the world. Easily distribute NFTs and tokens to your users and customers, fueling growth and engagement. The Presale Countdown. Mark your calendars, folks. The presale is just around the corner. Only 1 month left until listing. And guess what? The listing price? Just 25 cents. But act fast. There are only 8 rounds left until the sale ends, and only 4 days left in this round. And here's the big reveal. TheX Protocol has already burned 50% of its supply before listing. Impressive, right? How to buy TXP token. To buy this TXP token, click on Buy TXP. If you have already created an account, simply log in with your email and password. If you are new, you need to create an account. After logging in, you will be able to see the dashboard, wallet, referral, profile, Buy TXP, and withdraw options here. Navigate to Buy TXP and click on the Buy Token button. To purchase the TXP token, you need to connect your wallet here. You can either automatically add your MetaMask wallet by clicking here, or you can manually add the wallet. I am now going to connect my MetaMask wallet. The connection was successful. Now go to Buy TXP again and click on the Buy Token button. Here, you will find the presale page. On this page, you can see the sales round cap, maximum purchasing limit, token price, and minimum purchase. You need to insert the amount in USD and choose the coin and payment network from BNB, BUSD, USDT, or Ethereum. Afterward, simply click on the button below. That's it. You are now ready to proceed. TheX Support and Academy hosts. But that's not all. TheX Protocol offers an incredible support system. Their Academy covers everything you need to know about blockchain fundamentals, smart contract creation, NFT management, and effortlessly integrating Web3 payment systems. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, TheX Protocol provides comprehensive courses and expert guidance, enhancing your understanding of decentralized technologies and boosting your proficiency in the Web3 ecosystem. Dynamic partnerships. TheX Protocol is all about collaborations that drive innovation. They've partnered with Mises Browser, a leading web browser platform in the blockchain space, for seamless integration. And that's not all. They've also teamed up with Jotart for digital art enthusiasts, FirmSeed for democratizing real estate investing, and #TechRate for top-notch smart contract and blockchain security expertise. Plus, a strategic alliance with Psalms Capital in the financial realm. Exciting times ahead. Stay informed about the TheX Protocol Global by staying connected with their latest developments. You can keep track of their updates through their official Twitter account, where they have a substantial following of approximately 33,000 active users. Moreover, you can become a part of their Telegram community, which boasts an impressive membership of nearly 84,000 individuals. Joining is simple, just use your existing Telegram account. Their Twitter feed is a treasure trove of information, with frequent posts about the TXP token and comprehensive project updates. As evidence of their dedication, you'll notice that their most recent tweet was posted just an hour ago. To ensure you're always in the loop, it's highly recommended to follow their Twitter account and join their Telegram group. Stay up to date with TheX Protocol Global effortlessly and effectively. Investor confidence and future goals. Investors are buzzing with excitement. The announcement of the MVP has garnered significant attention and confidence. The TheX Protocol is well on its way to becoming a powerhouse in financial technologies. With a strong and committed team, the TheX Protocol is set for major exchanges, market-making activities, and strategic buybacks. This project is backed by a team that means business. And there you have it, crypto enthusiasts, the incredible journey of the TheX Protocol. Don't miss your chance to be part of this groundbreaking revolution. Join the presale and build the future together. Visit thexprotocol.com for more information. Until next time, keep exploring the crypto universe.